Hello everyone, to all of my Indian friends and my international friends. I just wanted to tell you that I am very glad and it's an honor and privilege for me to, speak in Indian dialect because this is one of the Punjabi dialect and I wanted to say thank you for all the support and thank you very much. It's an honor and privilege for me. I knowing that we have in this very bloody disgusting world that the Filipinos and the Philippines is in a chaos. I'm trying my best to speak. And I'm not laughing. I wanted to be serious because I'm selling you this for the ecosystem. I am selling this for only 150. This is grass. This grass is emitting oxygen, and it's very quite important for us that because nowadays no more trees, and then the ozone layer is damaging. That is why my advocacy right now is to selling of these trees. This is a grass right now, but it will grown up into trees, and then it will be helping our ecosystem and helping our better world. To, to everyone who's watching this, I'm selling this grass for only 150. Quite very affordable. But you know what? When I am planting this plant, I bought it for only 5 pesos, and the leaves is worth we have 150 leaves, so that is 1 pesos per leaves. And now, actually, I really wanted you to really express yourself because I am dealing with depression, and depression is one of the reason why there are a lot of people dying. So right now, they don't know that there is what we call the namaste for everyone. Radha Samiji. I'm eating just a while ago of chutney. Do you know what is chutney? It's an Indian food which is very spicy. I just wanted to tell everyone that that is really one of my favorite. Aside from chapati, aside from samosa, someone's asking me what is your favorite food in India. My favorite food in India is probably chutney. Chutney is very delicious. So because nowadays we are facing of this new high technology, the people are eating more of preservatives, more of additives, and more of and their food is not organic. That is why we are forgotten of our health. We're eating the fast food. So I'm teaching you that I am selling you very organic. This is came from India because my daddy is stopping for 5 6, no more 5 6 anymore. Although we're backing to the basic that no more payout, no more payout. That is the reason why the people are very high blooding. They're high blood, and then they become stroke, and after stroke they comatose. I don't worry, my brother is just saying that I'm abnormal. I'm not abnormal. I am just selling a fruits. This fruits is very important in our body. You know what? The lemon. This is lemon. I am selling you this for only 10 pesos. You know what? I bought it in Bangkirohan for only for this is 15 pesos. But of course, this is an online selling. I am selling you this lemon. This is good for our health because this is rich in vitamins and ascorbic acid. It's fighting against different kinds of bacteria in your body. So do you eat the lemon? It's very important, and it will helping our body to become stronger. And right after lemon, I am selling you this orange. Orange is very important. We are always drinking of juices, but the juices of orange is very effective in our body. All we needing to do is just to juice it and just to plant it, and then the juice will come out, and then just sip it. after sipping it, and then you have a vitamin C. No more problem in your body anymore. And after that, I also have these fruits. This is grapes. Someone is disgusting me. Someone is laughing at me, and I'm making a video. This is grapes. This is grapes. You know what? There's a lot of no more grapes in India. It's very quite rare for an Indian country to have grapes, because grapes is very delicious. It's rich in probiotics, and it has omega-3, and it has a lot of benefits in our body, and it kills of germs. That is what I am telling everyone, that if you have time, you will find out what is the reason why we need to eat grapes. Grapes is very delicious aside from chapati. And I also have the apple. This is one of the best for everyone. This is the way for everyone. My annoying brother is annoying me. He's laughing outside. I am selling you this. This is an apple. We all know that the saying for everyone. We all know that the saying is an apple that keeps the doctor away. How are ya? An apple a day. We all know the saying, TikTok. We all know the saying that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. That is why I am telling everyone that I am selling this apple for only 100 pesos. This came from India, an Indian apple. And after eating this apple, all of the sickness, all of the diseases in your body will gone. And after that, you will become very, very beautiful, very handsome, just like me. Namaste Rasasviji. How was everyone? I'm very thankful that you all voted for me as Indian accent, because now I'll be teaching you actually how to speak in Indian. All you need to do is just bang your head just like this, and then your heart just like this. Hello everyone, Namaste Rasasviji. Hello, thank you very much. Actually, I am half Indian, half Korean. But I am teaching you now how to speak an Indian language. But before anything else, thank you for your support. I really wanted to say it to everyone that I'm having this kind of opportunity to express myself in Indian accent, because my father is an Indian and my mother is a Korean, and I am Filipino because I live in the Philippines. I am telling you that this is very quite expensive, but I am selling you this monkey. This is only 150 pesos. This monkey is only 150 pesos. Yeah, because we're coming back to the basic. I cannot do it anymore. Hello everyone, namaste. Hello everyone. I just wanted to say that I am vomiting right now. I am so my stomach is achy right now. I have a very, very bad dinner. I have eaten a rotten snake. I just ate a rotten snake. It's very awful. I just wanted to say to everyone, this is just a reminder. I am telling you, please do not eat a leftover, because this is what's going to happen to you. It's very awful. It's bloody disgusting. This is really not amazing. Do not eat leftover, because maybe it's eaten by the rat, or maybe eaten by the cockroach, and it's very disgusting.